Welcome back to MSRCs. Well, I didn't even get a good run out of it. First run to run. I stripped the transmission out of it. A motor or something. Let's get this transmission off and see what we messed up. I might be able to get it out without pulling the body. Drive shaft just slid up on it. Still kind of wet while washed all the mud off of it. Just go ahead and pull the body off of it. There we go. Oh. Check this out. Oh, inside the motor is melted. Gear does still look good. Pinion. Okay, we're still good from here. Well, all we gotta do is find this little motor. But yeah, that is burnt slam up. Junk. Let's pop this pinion gear off of it. I might have another motor. Oh yeah, it slides right off. I'm going to pause this camera and be back and see if I have a motor. Alright, we're back. I have found a couple of motors, which this is the original one. And I found 3 more just like it, which they probably come out of servos, little cheap cars. Got to looking. These 2 here got the same backing as the original one that came out of it. This one here looks identical to it, except what it's got a blue casing. This has got a clear white looking case. They're all, but this one here spins real easy, like it ain't very, magnets are very strong in it on the ohmmeter, and it also got a lot of motion in it. So I'm probably not going to use that one. And this one here feels good. Feels real good. And I got this one, which all of it's the same size, exactly the same. Back's made pretty much the same, except it's got one little hole gap here. Y'all can see that. And this one has 2 little smaller gaps, which I'm probably going to use this one for the time being. But I like to use something like this. This is a whole lot bigger than what was in it. That right there probably work what I want to use it for, or this. This is about the same size as a 380 can motor, which that is like a 380 can motor, except it's got 2 flat sides. I don't remember what these come out. This come out of, but this right here came out of the actuator motor, or a blend door motor in a car. That's the actuator motor form. Runs off a 5-volt reference, so it should do real good with what we got here. And I might come up with something with this, with a different style transmission. Let's get this motor here. Well, not this, that's the junk one. Get this motor right here in it. Alright, I got the pinion here. You can see that thing. It just slides on the motor. Just like that. Got the wires already stripped back. This thing here just slides right back in place. No screws, nothing holding it in place. It's a little snug fit. Feel like it's in. Yep. Alright. Bunch of junk. This probably won't last long either. Stick that up here in the front. Let's get some battery. I'll hook this into it. 6 volt, 1600 milliamp per hour. Charmed. Well, let's get it back together since we know it works. If y'all want to know what I'm doing, I got a magnet strip on this wall here. When my screws won't stick onto my little Phillips screwdriver, I just stick them to I stick it to that magnet and kind of twist on it, and it'll hold the screw up. Alright, I done decided I'm gonna leave that on there. I'm gonna trim a little bit off each side of this body, so when this is down on there, you give me enough clearance to stick in these batteries in the toolbox, because the corner of it just need to be cut off, so that'll fit in there. Our rubber on one of these is 6 volt, 16 milliamp. There we go. Well, guys, maybe I won't have as much problem as I'm having this junk. But what do you expect for $30? Thank you for watching MSR RC. Please like, share. If you want to see some more videos of these, of my RCs, hit the notification bell. Thank you. I'm out.